In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent printing, copying, and downloading. If you want to share a file from Google Drive while keeping tighter control over how others can use it, this walkthrough is for you. We'll turn off the options to download, print, and copy for viewers and commenters. And I'll point out one extra setting that helps keep your rules in place. You'll need to be the file owner or have editing rights to change these permissions. Start by locating the file in Google Drive. You can do this right from your Drive list by right-clicking the file or by opening the file first. This works with Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and similar Google file types. If you are already inside the file, you'll find the same sharing controls in the top right corner. Next, open the sharing settings. Click Share the button with the person icon. This opens the sharing window, where you control who has access and what level of access they have. You can confirm whether people are viewers, commenters, or editors here before you lock things down. Now, access the advanced settings. In the top right corner of the sharing window, click the Settings gear icon. This section gives you granular control over what people can do with your content beyond simply viewing it. To restrict permissions, uncheck the box that says Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. This hides those options for anyone who only has viewing or commenting access, which helps prevent casual sharing or offline copies. Keep in mind that editors are not affected by this particular restriction, so only grant edit access to people you trust. Optionally, you can add an extra layer of control by unchecking editors can change permissions and share. This prevents collaborators with edit access from loosening your settings or resharing the file without your approval. It doesn't stop editors from editing the content itself, but it does keep your sharing rules from being overridden. When you are done, save your changes. Click the back arrow in the top left of the settings pane to return to the main sharing window, and then click Done. Your changes take effect immediately. If someone already has the file open, they may need to refresh to see the updated restrictions. A quick note, these settings are a strong deterrent, but they can't block screenshots or stop someone from retyping content elsewhere. Use the least necessary access level and share editor permissions sparingly. That's it, your file is now shared with download, print, and copy options disabled for viewers and commenters. Thanks for watching.